No matter where you live, everyone gets hot at one time or another. But now there's Cool-Off, the first personal cooling product of its kind. Portable and convenient, Cool-Off is a luxurious towelette infused with soothing botanicals, cooling herbs, and healing essential oils that refresh and re-energize on contact. Simply shake out and apply to the back of the neck, inner arms, and behind the knees to instantly feel cool. Press it on and feel the chill build. Be careful to avoid using around your eyes. Long-lasting Cool-Off can be reactivated simply by splashing water on your skin to feel the chill all over again. Cool-Off is ideal for actively participating in sports and fitness activities, working outdoors, traveling, theme parks, hot flashes. Anytime you need a quick cool down, Cool-Off is refreshment in a packet. So the next time you feel the heat, cool off with Cool-Off, the Quick Chill. To find a store near you, check out thequickchill.com.